everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be showing you how to make a popsicle stick bird feeder. This craft is great to do to help you appreciate wildlife and further your interest in nature. This craft is great for kids of all ages and is so much fun to build. To get started, you need to collect your materials. You will need lots of popsicle sticks, scissors, hot glue, and plastic lace. First, you're going to build the base of the bird feeder. You'll want to create the base by lining up popsicle sticks side by side and then hot gluing 2 popsicle sticks on top to attach the base together. Typically, 11 popsicle sticks lined up side by side should measure the length of 1 horizontal popsicle stick. This is what the base should look like. Put the base to the side, and we're now going to build the walls of the bird feeder. For 3 of the walls, you're going to glue 2 popsicle sticks together on their sides. Once you accomplish that, you're going to attach them to the base. When the 3 walls are glued on, you're going to add 1 popsicle stick to the side that doesn't have a wall. This will help keep the bird seed from falling out of the front of the bird feeder. After you finish that step, we're going to extend the bird feeder up. Take your popsicle sticks and glue 2 together on their sides. Do this twice, and then form a 90-degree angle with the 2 popsicle stick walls to create a corner. You're going to do this step 3 more times for each corner of the bird feeder. When you have your 4 corners, you're going to take your hot glue and attach them to the base. This is what it should look like. Next, you're going to take 2 popsicle sticks and attach them to the top of the corners to make them more sturdy. Now it is time to build the roof. The 2 roof parts follow the exact same steps we used to build the base. Line up 11 popsicle sticks and then secure them all together with 2 popsicle sticks with hot glue. Do this twice. When your roof portions are built, you can take 2 popsicle sticks and glue them together at a 90-degree angle. After that, apply plenty of glue to the inside of the popsicle sticks and attach them to the 2 roof portions. Let that sit for a couple minutes to allow it to harden. When the roof is solid, apply glue to the points where the roof meets the top of the bird feeder and attach everything together. For our final step, you're going to measure out some plastic lace and loop it through the roof and tie a knot. This will allow you to hang your bird feeder from a tree. When it is finished, take it outside and hang it in a tree. Put some birdseed in it to make it complete and attract birds. This craft is so much fun to do and can be altered in many ways to make it bigger or to turn it into a birdhouse. We hope you enjoyed this craft and make sure you check out our other videos. See you soon!